Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a natural hair update. Now, I did a natural hair update last year sometime, kind of before I had Ariana. So now it's time to do an update on all this new growth, talk a little bit about what I'm experiencing after I have had my baby girl, which is 6 months ago. And you guys will be surprised at the answer. So I'm just doing a little bit of a length check and really feeling my natural hair, really loving the afro. I recently took my braids out, so that's why my hair looks a lot more fuller and bushier, but I actually like this look. So I'm going to go ahead in this video and show you guys all the products that I use to tame my curly hair in this bomb brush that I discovered on Instagram, which is super amazing for natural curly hair. So all this hair that you guys see right now is about to be tamed and the curls is about to be popping. So today I'm doing my rice water treatment and I'm going to share with you guys how I make my rice water. So you're going to need rice, just plain rice, water, and a jar to put the rice in, and you're also going to need a orange. Now I'm just using plain white rice, just some cheap stuff I got from Kroger. I think was like 89 cents or something like that. So I'm going to put some in a bowl. I don't really know how much. I'm just kind of eyeballing this. And then I'm going to take some water, just a full glass of water, and pour it right into the mixing bowl. And I'm going to let that sit for a couple of minutes. And you're going to start to see the water separate from the rice. And then once the rice is really soft and I can break the rice with my hand, is when it's actually ready to go into a jar. So as you can see, the water has turned into a milky color. So now it's time to pour out that water. Now I'm starting with another full glass of water and I'm going to scoop the rice into this jar. I will have below the purchasing information for if you guys want to purchase a cute custom jar like I have here. This is actually Ari's jar and I love it. It was handmade, so all that information will be below. So once I have all the rice in the jar, I'm just going to fill up the jar with the water. Now, if you want more product, then of course you use more rice, you use a bigger jar, and you use more water. Now, rice water does have a really funky smell to it, so I am going to use a orange. I'm just going to use the actual skin of the orange and place them directly into the jar, and this is going to help with the smell. It's going to be a little bit more pleasant to smell instead of, that funky stuff. Okay, so once I got the oranges inside the jar, I let this sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. The longer, the better. Now, this jar that I have here is only going to be enough for one watt. So about an hour later, I'm going to go ahead and pour the rice water into a spray bottle and use this spray bottle as a way to distribute the rice water as a hair growth treatment. And I also will be doing this treatment on Ariana's hair, which will be a separate video, by the way. Okay, so let's move on to the wash routine. So normally I would use the biotin and collagen shampoo and conditioner. This is for thicker and fuller hair, but I am out of this product, so I have to use something else. So I'm finally getting around to try the Maui Moisture line, which is their shampoo and conditioner. I've had this under my sink for quite some time, and it's just been one of those items I've pushed to the back and grabbed the Biotin Collagen shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to try it out for the first time today. I've read a lot of good reviews on this particular product when it comes to a product for curly hair. This is one of the top rated products. So I really do like that this shampoo does lather up really well. Makes me feel like my hair is clean. Now this product line does not come with any type of sulfate, so you don't have to worry about, the shampoo stripping your hair of its natural oils. And I also noticed on the back of their ingredients, or even on the front of some of their packaging, they really emphasize on the importance of ingredients that they use to promote healthy hair. So I really do like. Sure, we all have experienced experience going into the store, looking at products, looking at the ingredients, and almost none of the products seem to understand African American hair or what we actually need in our products in order for our hair to thrive and flourish. So I really do respect and love that this particular company took the time out to study and understand African American hair and what we need and what we don't need in a product. And even though this is the shampoo I'm working with right now, I'm definitely able to manage my hair, which is crazy because normally I would have to use conditioner to get slip, but I'm actually getting a lot of slippage with just using the shampoo. Now, this detangling brush that I'm using, I actually got from Instagram, y'all, and it is so freaking good. Like, I featured this in one of my other natural hair videos. Like, do you see how this brush is just gliding through my curls? Y'all, hands down, this is a great brush. I think I paid like $10, $8 for it. Not expensive at all. So this is what my hair looks like after I have shampooed my hair. And so now I'm about to go in with the rice water and spray that all over. And I am having to go in with sections just to make sure I get every strand. And then I'm going to follow up with using the conditioner. So as you guys can see, my curl pattern is really tight. So I'm just going through making sure my hair has not tangled during the process of applying the conditioner and the rice water. And as you can see, my curls are really defined. But like I said, I just want to go through one more time to make sure I have gotten all the kinks and tangles out. And I also just want to see how defined my curls can get with using this brush and conditioner. Honestly, I don't know what's working more, this brush or the conditioner. This brush is bomb, y'all. Like, look how my hair is just gliding through the bristles on this brush. And honestly, since I've been natural for 3 years, I've never been able to detangle my hair like this with a brush ever. So the simple fact that this brush can do this, not even having a lot of conditioner in it, is crazy. Okay, so let me slow it down so you guys can see how beautiful and defined my natural curly hair is. I don't have any tangles. Every strand is defined and moisturized. I actually really am loving my curly hair more and more every time I wash my hair. Definitely wearing the wigs and not manipulating my hair is helping my hair grow tremendously. So now it's time to wash out the conditioner, and this is what my hair looks like afterwards. Shrinkage is so freaking real. So in the past, I would normally let my hair air dry just like this, but because my hair is much longer and fuller, I'm going to go in with the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. I love this, guys. Like, it's amazing for hydrating your hair and also detangling your hair. So I'm going to continue with sectioning off my hair, and then I'm going to add another section to the hair, and I'm going to just twist my hair. And this is pretty much how I'm going to let my hair air dry overnight. Honestly, I prefer this method over not doing anything at all because once my hair dries and I wake up the next morning, it's like a bush. So doing it this way gives me a little bit more flexibility with styling my hair and detangling if I need to do so in the morning. So I don't know what happened to my next day clip showing my hair, but here we are. So I'm just going to show you guys how I style my hair in a ponytail. And this is pretty much how I'm going to be wearing my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the styling process of my hair since my hair is detangled and every curl is defined. So while though I don't wear my natural hair all the time, I actually love my natural hair. Now for those of you who have been with me for many years during my relaxed hair days, know that my edges are naturally thin. So to fill in my thin edges, I use this stuff called Topic, which is basically hair fiber. Now I added this pump to mine, so it doesn't normally come with a pump. So basically what you do is you take the fiber and you apply it directly on the area or areas that you want to appear fuller. Now here's the key. You got to have some sort of hair, some strand of hair in order for the fiber to stick or to attach to your hair. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just spraying it on my thinner spots and just using my finger to smooth it in. Now, I definitely do this when my hair has product on it, such as gel or if it's wet, because it just allows the product to blend a little bit better into those thin areas compared to doing this on dry hair. It looks a lot more visible that you have something on your hair. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, those thinner areas appear a lot fuller, and this is pretty much my little ponytail that I'm going to be wearing for a couple of days until I can get my hair braided. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all on the next video. Mwah!